Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Today I am going to show you how to create desktop shortcut shell apps folder to quick access in Windows 10. Are you in need to access to all of your apps in one place in Windows 10? So this video will show you how to create desktop shortcut for quick access. So let's get started. First, you need to right click on the desktop, then hover over to new and then click on shortcut. Now type explorer space shell apps folder. In the type the location of the item box and click on next. Now you need to give this shortcut a name, like I am going to name this shortcut all apps, and click finish to create a shortcut. Now you have easy to access shortcut to all your installed apps right on your desktop. So double click on it to access all the desktop, all the apps. Here you have all the apps in one place, in one shortcut. If you find this tutorial helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and share with your and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.